Now then, we are seriously good at what we do here. You might have seen us advertise a very similar vehicle to this yesterday, which I had a call on my mobile phone and I sold within 2 hours. Very difficult vehicle to buy. Toyota HiLux GR Sport on a 73. There's only 2,000 miles on this. Biggest selling feature for me, good or bad for you, is it's being sold with no VAT. So the price you see on the screen is the price you pay, which make it a very, very attractive purchase if you're looking for one. In Decuma Grey, this is the GR Sport, so more off-road focused, more race inspired, chunkier, more aggressive. It's got loads of great features on it, but it's built on the Invincible X, so its specification is magnificent. 360 camera, JBL sound system, different features all around the car, and it's in a like new order. So if you're looking for a commercial vehicle, then this is one of the best ones you can get. HiLux has got such a great following. You'll see we've got the wind deflector. The GR Sport gives you the Toyota badging into the grille and this carbon fibre effect through the front end. All the GR badging throughout this vehicle. Daytime running lights with xenon headlight. And then the wheels, smaller wheels. This is a more off-road focused vehicle. So if you look under the arches, we've got the red shockers, different suspension, smaller wheels, almost like a gold effect to that diamond cut wheel. GR badging, black mirror casings, wind deflector pack, and then we've got the style bar on the back. Genuine Toyota style bar. I really like that feature. To the rear end as well, LED lights. We've also got load liner. You can see it in a brand new order in the rear. It's a great truck, this. It looks fabulous. And then coming round, the GR Sport is a 2.8 diesel, so D-4D engine, four-wheel drive, with exceptional interior finishes. So leather and Alcantara sport seats, heated rear seats, heated front seats, privacy glass, keyless entry, electric driver's seat. Look at this interior on this car. The seats are lovely. GR Sport embossed onto the headrests, but it doesn't stop there in one of these things. We've got magnificent features like the JBL sound system. So jumping in, we've got keyless entry, keyless start. Even the start stop button has the GR embossed onto it. Gazoo Racing, that is the Toyota racing team. So it is, like I say, more race inspired. JBL sound system, how nice is that? 360 camera system, how nice is that? There it is, there you go. Smartphone integration, digital climate control, heated front and rear seats, navigation, it's got everything. There's your keys, everything's wonderful, 2 keys. And if you come inside, the stitching on the steering wheel is all in red, the red accent through the dash, the carbon fibre effect trim. It's probably one of the best trucks, if not one of the most popular trucks we sell. When we get them, we sell them because it's such a difficult vehicle to buy. So 2.8 diesel, GR Sport in a lovely order on a 73 with 2,000 miles on, being sold with no VAT. It's a magnificent buy. If you're looking for a commercial vehicle, call me on my number on the screen. It's Richard. Thanks for watching.